Hello friends, welcome to Naveen Reddy Arts channel. Today we are going to know how to edit a drawing video or any video in Vita app. Vita app is the best app for video editing. So in this Vita app we have so many transitions, effects, after effects, color grading, chroma key, and green effect video, and filters, and like styles, speed up. All these are in this Vita app. So I would prefer Vita app for any videos. So now let's get into the video. So now I am going to show how to edit a video in Vita app. For this I am opening Vita app. See, like this the interface will be open. So in this we have to choose new project. Now I am clicking new project. So now I will show how to edit a video in Vita. So for this I will choose one of my videos. So now I am choosing this video. So it will load to edit a video. Okay. So now we can edit. See, we can choose our quality of video like 720 full HD or 720 180p. So I will choose 180 full HD. So like this. So see this first option, edit. In this we can choose our video size, or we can choose our video speed. So now I am choosing, we can change our speed of our video like 0.5x, 1x, 2.0x, 4x. So maximum I am choosing 1.0x. So for this video we can also edit our volume. See this 100% apply to all, like 100%, 50%. We can choose our volume of our video. So next in this reverse option. So option is working, so please wait. See, this reverse option will be used. So for using our video reverse, so animations, next option animation. So framing, we can use different types of frames. See, like this, zoom out, 3D puzzles, like more options are there to use for our frames. So next option, frame out. See this. So in this also there are so many. Like this, we can use our frame out option. So another option, dynamic. So in this also there are so many options to choose our frames. So dynamic, like this. So there are so many options to use our video frames. So freeze. So we can use this freeze option to freeze our video. Okay. So adjust. We can adjust our brightness, contrast, saturation. We can sharpen our highlights, grain, like these options. So many are there in this beta app. Again, the main point is mask. So we can choose our option like line option, and we can add any other video in this mask option. Next, copy. So we can copy any another video in this copy option. So and in next option, background. So we can choose our background with any color. See, we can change our background color like this, or we can add image. So like this we can add different types of images, or we can simply leave it. So or we can add blur option. See, like this we can add blur options. So many options are there. Simply I will leave it. So in the another option, scale. So we can fit our video into the frame, or we can choose how much we have to add. So we can rotate. So in another option, rotate. We can rotate like 15 degrees right, 15 degrees left, 90 degrees right, 90 degrees left, and we can have mirror option, flip options. Like this, so many options are there. Replace. We can replace any another video in place of old video. So now I am going to know, I don't want any options. So that's all. So now we can add our any options like style. See. I am choosing this style. So it is taking time, so I am cancelling this style option. So see this here, there are so many options. We can use all these style options to our video. So we can another option, ratio. In this we can choose our for Instagram 1:1, 4:5, for Facebook 16:9, for YouTube 9:16, for YouTube Shorts. Like this, so many options are there in this ratio option. So another option, another main. So to edit our video colorfully, effect option. In this effect option, so many are there. See, basic. We can choose as per our video frames. See this, like this we can add, we can choose any frame up to video end, like this. We can add any object also. So music. So in this music option, we can add any music from our computer or mobile, or from this app. Like this we can add any app. So like this we can add any option. So we can split also. Another option, text. So we can add any option, or we can add any text we want. Like this we can add any text also. So another option we have any stickers. See here so many options are there. We can add any stickers also. We can add emojis. Like this so many options are there. See like this. You can add emojis, stickers, and GFs. This also. Like this we can add any GF also. So PIP. So next option PIP. In this PIP we can add any video in this option. So we can adjust like this. See, like this PIP function is used. So another option stock. So we can add any stock option in this video. Stickers. This have been already set. Mosaic. We can choose like this. We can hide any portion we don't want. Like this shape we can use mosaic, or we can choose blur. Another option filter. So there are so many options to choose our frames, like filters. So I am choosing this. You can choose any filter option. So there are so many films, more options. So I am recommending this Vita for best for video editing. And another option adjust, like brightness. We can adjust any brightness of our video, contrast, saturation, sharpen, shadows, like this. Order. So in this order option we can choose our video from left to right, right to left. Like this we can choose our videos. So there is final output. So please watch. So I hope you understood how to edit a video in Vita. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my Navin Reddy Arts channel. Thanks for watching.